Early one morning, water was coming in my door. Early one morning, water was coming in my door. It was the Ohio River telling us to get ready and go. It was dark and was raining. You could hear that howling wind. It was dark and was raining. Baby, you could hear that howling wind. If I get away this time, I will never come here again. Yeah, my baby was crying. I didn't have a thing to eat. Yeah, I didn't have a thing to eat. Yeah, the water had come in, washed everything I had down the street. I was hollering for mercy, and it wasn't no boats around. Yeah, I was hollering for mercy, and it wasn't no boats around. Yeah, it looks like people, I've got to stay right here and drown. When my house started shaking, started floating on down the stream. Hey, my house started shaking, went floating on down the stream. It was dark at midnight. People began to holler and scream.